Hey guys, this is my 4 months on testosterone video, and I'm gonna try to keep this short. My voice still cracks. Uh, my top surgery is scheduled for December 15th of 2011. I'm really excited. It's in Florida with Dr. Garramone, and my mom is coming with me, and I love her, love her, love her, love her, love her. She's the best, like I said before. She is going to be basically my caretaker, and she will be helping me out with paying for part of top surgery. I will be working my life away this summer paying for the other half, but that's okay with me. And she will be helping me like get the hotel and fly down there, and basically she's my guardian angel for that entire week in December in Florida, which is a nice break from Iowa winters, if you know how bad those are. As far as relationships go, my relationship with my family is getting better. They're getting better at calling me Charlie and correcting themselves, and it's just one of those things that like I kind of feel bad like when they mess up and then they like correct themselves and they're really harsh on themselves. Like, you guys don't have to be so harsh. It's all right. Like, I know you're gonna mess up sometimes. Like, everybody messes up, so fine with me. We're learning. Everybody's learning at the same time. As far as like strangers go, I've been getting better at like correcting people with their pronouns if they mess it up. I still find it kind of weird to correct someone once they've already said like female pronouns, because I don't want to feel like I don't want to be like a big douchebag and be like, no, actually it's male pronouns, and like just like kind of sound pretentious or whatever. So it's been getting better. I still don't really know how to go about it. It's just awkward because I mean you don't usually have people correcting your pronouns or having that discussion, which maybe it should be discussion. So as far as life in general, I am in a really, really, really good place right now, and I'm just in a really good place right now. I'm loving life. Changes, I feel like they've kind of plateaued for a while. Like, my voice hasn't dropped a little bit or at all. I mean, I guess it's dropped a little bit, but hairs, my arm hairs, last time I was talking about how there was only just like a little bit in here. I don't know if you can kind of see now, but it's definitely like branched out a little bit more. It's a start. We're getting there. I actually thought about maybe if I shaved my arms, they'd come back darker. And I probably won't do it, but I still have my neck beard. It's coming in a lot darker and with a lot more hairs. They brought friends, and they are just like regular hairs now. Like, they're dark and they're like they've gotten thicker. I had a few dark hairs on my sideburns, like 2. I know, not very many, but it's a start. And that hair is getting kind of thicker. I'm still getting it like up in here too. So muscle has been kind of about the same. I've noticed that my jeans have been fitting differently, so that means I've been losing weight in my hips region. My clothes are just fitting differently in general, but good differently, like how boy clothes are supposed to fit, which is a really nice feeling considering I've always worn boy clothes since I could choose to dress myself. Along with losing weight, that means I must have been exercising, which I kind of am. Not as often as I'd like to be, just because I get really busy with school, but it has been better. I'll go for runs in the forest behind my apartment. It's not really a forest, it's like a wooded area. Please, there's no forests in Ames. And I also found a giant soccer field, so if I just want an area to just go like run around in, then I have that now. I've also been drinking whey protein, like 1 glass of it like a day. I've kind of forgotten to, just because I haven't really been at home very much. I've been working on school a lot. I've noticed that the fat in my stomach has like gone down quite a bit, and I've noticed that like my hip bones are starting to show more. Like, Like, they just really, like, stand out in one place. But then I still have fat, like, there. It's weird. But working on it. I'm sure it'll change by the end of summer or something. I'm also trying to get into absolute best shape that I possibly can before top surgery. That way, this might be a little graphic, but that way when they go to do the top surgery and they reattach the skin to the muscle, they're reattaching skin to muscle and not to fat. So that way I can just kind of like relax and chill out for a while after top surgery, and I can just start building muscle. And so then that way when they, like, my scars start to heal, like, my skin will be, like, in the condition that it would be if I was, like, totally fit. So that's the plan. Might not actually happen, but I'm going to think that it's going to happen. So any other changes? There just hasn't really been a whole lot. I'm sure more changes will be coming, or maybe I'm just a little more oblivious to them. So that's all I got for you guys, and it's been 4 months already. That's almost 5 months, which is almost 6 months, which is half a year. So